The new General Motors plant manager was wanting to improve the 5S at his facility. They had these cabinets that had been in a warehouse for several years that the paint had deteriorated on, but the rest of the cabinet was intact. They were functional.
GM started ordering these in the late 90s and continued ordering them in small batches.
I was around when we got the original order from General Motors for these cabinets. These were special, they had special colors, they had special configurations. I myself had a lot of confidence in refurbishing. We have our stronghold cabinets on our own floor. I've been here 35 years and we've had our cabinets for as long as Stronghold's been around. We put a fresh coat of paint on the Stronghold cabinets and they're as good as new. So we knew what success we've had with doing that in-house to our own cabinets. So I felt very confident that we were going to be able to make General Motors happy and keep their costs down.
When we received these rework units, they were the age of 17 to 20 years old. They had some light rust on them. They had a lot of labels on the shelves.
They varied in condition from really bad to not so bad. Most of the mechanical parts, the handles and the latch rods, were still in very good working order. They were very dirty and some were rusty, some weren't so bad. All the inside components were fine. There really wasn't any rust on the inside. The outside had varying degrees of rust and scale and dirt that we sanded off and repainted, and they turned out looking very good.
We buffed everything down. We removed the labels. We cleaned the glass. We put a fresh coat of paint on them. This, to me, is a new service that we can offer.
This refurbish order that we got from General Motors, we saw that as an opportunity for a lot of our other customers and saw what money it could save them. After a period of time, putting a fresh coat of paint, doing a little minor work to them can give them another several years of good use with that Stronghold cabinet. So this was a real opportunity for us to see how well we could do that in providing a solution for General Motors and taking that to our other customers.
Unless you run a forklift into this thing, a Stronghold cabinet, it's going to last forever.
Quality and workmanship speak for itself. What sets us apart from our competition is the heavy gauge steel, our quality levels, and our craftsmanship. They're very durable units. They last 20, 30, 40 years. They're legendary in the market. They're legendary in the field. No one can touch our craftsmanship or our quality.
The competitive advantage we have over other brands is the durability, the weld, the thickness of the steel, the craftsmanship that goes into these cabinets.